And you know you can blow a motor from an exhaust leak,
No way.
right?
Nah.
Oh,
Yeah, you
there you go.
probably
Not maybe on like. Nah, not even.
That's what they told me. I thought it was like air going in.
I mean, yeah, it feels like very big. Like if you just ran like open down pipes for like a long time,
Yeah.
no exhaust, then yeah, you could get a motor.
See, I knew something. I had an exhaust leak on my track out. That bit was ticking like a time. I thought my shit was gonna blow. I had to change my gasket, my header gaskets.